Welcome to Singapore. It is a safety requirement that you remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartment, as items inside may fall out. Kindly take all your belongings with you when leaving the aircraft. Personal electronic devices with cellular function may now be switched on. Once again, we sincerely apologize for the delay and we thank you for your patience and understanding. It has been a pleasure looking after you and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you for flying Cathay Pacific, a member of the One World Alliance.
各位乘客，歡迎嚟到新加坡。為安全起見，請留喺座位並保持安全帶扣上，是扣上安全帶燈號熄滅為止。當打開行李櫃時，請小心以免文件跌下。請離開機艙時帶齊所有嘅隨身行李，避免遺留喺機上。閣下現在可以使用有網絡功能嘅個人電子用品。我哋再次為延誤感到致歉，多謝你嘅忍耐同埋體諒。我哋好高興為閣下服務，希望好快就可以再同各位喺環宇一家嘅成員國泰航空上見面，多謝各位。